kick us off.
I have no idea why you called me down here, except for that I'm putting wood in your face.
It's So we're doing it's like a wood smelling identification challenge. This was kind of kicked off by Chris over at Get Hands Dirty, and then Johnny Brook did it over at the Crafted Workshop, and he passed it off to me, and I will pass it off to someone else at the end. But the premise here is that I will be sniffing
being a weirdo.
wood. I'll be sniffing wood, being weird, trying to identify the species of wood based on scent alone, and because we're in my shop and I know all the wood in here.
This was pointed out by me. I feel like you're pretending now to take all credit for me pointing out that this test is not scientifically sound at all.
It's supposed to be fun.
There should be science. Science is fun.
Okay. Anyway, so I will not be touching them either, just in
Okay.
case I know the shape of the piece of wood that you find. I think we're going to do 5 pieces of wood. So Lindsay's going to be blindfolding me so I can't see where she goes or what wood she has. And she's going to go randomly pick out 5 pieces of wood from somewhere in the shop. And the only other thing is that if I need to, we're allowed to do a little sanding on the piece to get some of those fine particles in my nose that might smell like a certain species of wood. But
I think that'll help you.
That's the idea.
But I mean, I feel like it'll.
I
feel like I would know the scent of like certain woods based on that.
Okay, well, you next. The person I'm passing it off to at the end is you.
Kind of makes me feel like you're being a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
I could be.
Because I feel like little kids use these. So I'm gonna go find the first piece of wood.
I can hear you.
Of course you can. That's the whole point where I'm saying this is anything but a scientifically sound experiment.
But it could be anything.
Yeah, except for you can hear where I'm walking. And you know what wood I have.
All right, don't go dig in the bin. You'll find all kinds of little tiny pieces at the bottom.
Like I said, it's
It
not
doesn't have
like
to be big.
you have like, what's it called? Like kobo blah blah or whatever.
Yeah, I don't have any cocobolo.
There we go. See, yeah, it's not like I was like, I could have gone to Woodcraft.
There's only so many species in this shop, baby.
Exactly. That's the whole point of the experiment is flawed. Anyone know what this is? I don't. Neither will he. But this thing is cool. I don't even know what this is. But I feel like this is not wood.
Great.
Right here.
It's probably Demon's mallet or something.
No, it's not Demon's mallet. But it's got like crystallization on it.
Great.
This thing.
This thing, like I know what it is.
Well, I'm not gonna like. Obviously, you can't. It's sure you can touch it.
This is a stabilized blank. It's got foil on it somewhere.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's all pretty and stuff. I'm gonna
ready.
go back to sitting down like I am a news anchor.
Anchor me, baby.
All right, today on the nightly news. First specimen. It is this.
This is gonna be so hard. I have no idea. Is it even in my face?
No, I am. Okay, here we go.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm gonna whiff past
Please
you.
don't hit me in the face.
What do you think it is?
Is it there?
It is.
Put it in there. Where is it?
It's right there in your nose.
Oh, there you go. I can't. I was laughing. I can't see. I can't even smell.
Just get in there, you know. Here, let's do it right here. Just really get it in. What is it?
I don't know. I can't. You keep like moving around.
That's part of the game, okay?
It's not the game. Put it in there so I can smell it good.
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
I hate this game.
It's your game.
It's not my.
You should know this one. This one is a gimme. I did an easy one first, you know, give him false confidence.
Give me that sand test. Sand it up real nice. Mm-hmm. First of all, are any of these actual work pieces?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay, good. Is this even wood?
True here facts. You're hearing it today. Matt does not use wood. This is all fake. Plastic.
That smells weird.
It smells like burn. I must be too good of a sander.
I don't know what that would be.
I don't know what it would be either. Oh wait, this is a good smelling piece.
Yeah, I don't know. Was that walnut? That's about all I got.
It's not. I know that. I know you're wrong.
Okay. I have no idea.
All right.
This is really hard.
Yeah, well, this one was a gimme, so I'm a little disappointed in you.
Is it dirt?
It was dirt.
It has a fragrance of pasture and manure.
It's... Yeah. Well, this is a tree that came from a farm. It had a good life.
Oh, great.
Before
Free range.
It was a free-range tree. I don't know. I smell the wood. I think it's cedar. I mean, it's not because it's not a softwood, but...
You think it's cedar?
I'm going with... This is a cherry, I'm going to guess. I really don't know, obviously.
Cherry, I don't think.
But I'm looking at it. Well, okay, what else would it be, though?
I like all the games.
Oak.
Let's pretend like you try and guess it or something.
I think it's oak. Okay, here's the next one. I'll pre-smell it for you.
Great.
Oh, yeah, this one's easy, right here.
That hurts. It's walnut.
Yeah,
God, that hurt. What was on that?
Oh, it's like a rough cut.
Okay. If I remember.
But that's how you know, because that's right. I know that one's right.
The other one smelled like nothing, or cardboard or something.
Okay, this one. I don't know. But this is where you smell it. You smell though?
I can
Like
smell.
I smell wood.
It smells vaguely familiar.
Right, like you use it all the time. It makes it smell just like burntness. It doesn't work.
Oh. That smells weirder now.
Like I said, it like burns the wood. I'm just far too strong.
I don't know, oak or something. Maybe birch. I have no idea.
Oh, I think this one's birch. The first one's birch, maybe. This one's oak. Okay, sure.
I highly doubt it's what it is, but
This one you're not going to be able to smell. There's like no smell.
it kind of also smells like walnut.
It could be.
Why is that on my head?
I just want to see how...
How flat my head is?
If you're, past finishing school. All right, so you're saying walnut. Okay, this one you should be able to guess.
The heck is this? Smells like plastic.
Well, that's not very nice to say.
I don't know what the heck that is.
Maybe it smells like veneer.
Why, is it plywood?
No! I know exactly what this is.
Oh, you're holding a saw.
Yeah.
Because I hear you clanking on it.
See? You're cheating.
So it's probably walnut.
It's the saw I bought you.
Ah.
I picked the wood out, so I know it's walnut because I said walnut, dark wood with gold looks gorgeous. So I like the saw. And it fits your hands perfectly. Oh yeah, this one you can smell.
Get
It's
back
got a
here.
good-
Stop
good-
taking all the scent. It smells musty.
Yeah,
It's like it's been around for a while.
it has. It has.
I don't know. Barnwood?
Okay, I don't really think that's a species.
I don't know what that is. It smells old.
Old.
It's
Old is a species, though, yes. Okay, so your guess is old barnwood.
Yeah, I don't know.
That one,
That
you'll
one
definitely...
It just smells musty.
I mean, it does. I don't even think... This one I question if this is even wood.
That's what.
I don't know what this one is. Just put that right up in there. Get it right in there so you can
Okay,
really...
all right.
This side, too.
Okay. How many did you pick?
I'm done. This is the last one.
That's the same one?
No. It was just a little one I found.
Okay, what is it?
Hell if I know. Look at it.
Okay, put it in here again. Let's see.
I would say this one's oak.
I have no idea.
All right, open your
Maybe
blindfold.
cherry? I don't know.
It's not cherry. All right, what is this? This is called old barnwood.
It was,
Don't know if you've worked with this before, but it's old barnwood species. Yeah, you only get it like
That
far up in
makes-
like Connecticut. It's really...
That makes sense, though, because that's was in the shed for 5 years.
What is it?
It's hard maple.
That's basically what I guessed. So I think I won on that one. All right, this one you guessed walnut.
That's walnut.
You were right. And on this one, you guessed oak.
Yeah, it's cherry.
I was right. And this one you guessed walnut. This is the first one.
Cherry?
You should have got it because I was made it really clear to you it was a spoon. So you should have known what did I make my spoon out of that I've never finished. That's been sitting over there forever.
I made that.
I know you did.
What spoon did you make?
I'm talking in your voice.
Oh.
Like you should have been like, I made a spoon. It's just sitting there. So I made something that literally Lindsay's shoving up my nose and it's very...
How would I know that was a spoon?
Well, because then I was doing this.
I didn't know that. It could be anything.
You're very defensive.
Yeah, no. So how many I get? 2?
Yeah, the walnut ones.
I'm really good at walnut, apparently, and that's about it.
No, yeah, just the one.
No, yeah.
But this is cherry.
Yeah.
I got this one right. I wrote cherry.
This is as much
You
of a
said
game
walnut.
for you as it is for me.
I said cherry. We learned that I'm a genius.
Okay.
And that you have problems.
This smells like nothing.
I know. That's why I said that one was like a throwaway.
All right, who should we pass this off to?
Chip man?
Chip man.
Isn't he a chip person? Like a chipper?
What?
Doesn't he like chips a lot?
Jay?
Yeah. Bates?
Like, does he like chips?
Yeah, like potato chips. That is the only thing I've associated with that person.
Oh, I hope we put this in the video.
I don't know why.
Because in his earlier videos, he would eat a snack while the glue dries.
So he's
Sometimes it was chips.
So he is a chip
Sometimes it
man.
was an apple. Sometimes it was a banana.
Well, I'm sorry to Jay that I only remember your unhealthy choices, but yeah, when anyone said, I'm like, oh yeah, he's the guy who eats chips. As if it's like a very small sector of human beings that eat chips. You can make Chip Man do it.
Chip man. All right, Chip man. It's all you now, I guess. Have fun, Chip man.
Now we know that Matt knows only what walnut is. So, and that we don't have a lot of diversity of woods in this room. So, I guess we're gonna have to go hunting and get some more trees. Try this again.
Is that what it is? I should go get more trees?
I am gonna go hunting.
Okay, I'll wait here.
You stay at home.
You bring them back.
Yeah, I'll wrangle
You're the
them.
lioness, right?
Of course I am.
Okay.
I'll wrangle them, bring them back, get you some more exotic woods. Because clearly all you've been able to get us walnut, a little bit of cherry, and some old barn wood. So
It was out in the shed.
I think I'm going to up the ante and get us some real wood. So
Okay.
until next time, good luck, Jay. I haven't watched your video for so long, I don't know what it is anymore. It's like,
You just did it in Italy.
wrong. It was like, well, thanks everybody for watching.
I don't think you have to say anything of that.
No, it's like, thank you everybody for watching. If you have any questions about anything here in my shop or anything I talked about in this video or anything here in my shop, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to answer those. And until next time, happy woodworking. Is that right?
That's pretty good.
That was pretty.
I mean, there's a little ad lib in there, but it was pretty good.
It wasn't perfect, but it was better than Italy.
Yeah, we'll get it next time.
All right, bye.